Hey, we are on lesson 24 still, but now we're doing session 4 and 5. And it says we're going to just refine comparing lengths. We're just practicing. It says complete the example below, then solve problems 1 through 3. Jonah is 52 inches tall. His sister, Sophia, is 43 inches tall. How much taller is Jonah than Sophia? So you can use a bar model and equation. So you're going to take plus 43 equals 52. Or you can say 52 minus 43 equals what? And the answer is 9. So the answer would be 9. That's the solution. Now, number 1, it says Anna measures the paper strips below in centimeters. What is the difference in the lengths of the paper strips? Show your work. Okay, so in centimeters, you can take 9, because that's how long this paper strip is, and you can minus the length of that, which is 3, and so that would be 6. You could also just take your ruler and measure the difference. Line up the 0 to the shorter one and see how far it goes, which is the same as 6 inches, or centimeters, not inches. Okay, the next page, number 2, it says circle the nail that is shorter, then tell how much shorter it is. Use a ruler, measure using centimeters, show your work. So this is the shorter one. And we know if we do it this way, line it up to the 0, and it will be 4, right? Because we lined the 0 up to the shorter one and then see the difference. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'd be 4 centimeters. The other way that you can do it is to measure the length of the long one, which is 7 centimeters, and minus the shorter one, which is 3. And that, you get the same answer. Okay. Tim has a piece of yarn that is 3 inches long. Which piece of yarn is 1 inch shorter than Tim's yarn? So first, let's find the answer, should we? So he has a piece of yarn that is 3 inches. Which piece of yarn is 1 inch shorter? So we're doing inches now, and I'm guessing this one is the 3 inches. Now we need to find the one that's just 1 inch shorter. Is this one 1 inch shorter? No, that one's 2 inches. What about this one? Yeah, so I would say it would be D. But Ben chose A as the answer. How did Ben get his answer? He found the piece that is probably 1 inch longer. See that? Not shorter. He found the one that was 1 inch longer. So that was a mistake that he made. Okay, so now you're going to go and do your practice one on your own. So I want you to do pages 587 and 588, and then come back and we'll do session 5 together. Okay, session 5. Hopefully you did okay on the practice of session 4. If not, get some help from someone in your family. Okay, so session 5, it says how much longer in inches is the bottom bandage than the top bandage? Okay, so we're just going to look at the difference. And it's 1, 2, right? There's 2 inches. It's 2 inches longer. Or you could take 4, so the same thing, 4 minus 2. Okay, what is the difference in the lengths of the 2 straws? Now we're using centimeters. Don't forget to look at centimeters. So this one is 7, and that one is 3. If you measure the difference, it's 4 centimeters. Or 7 minus 3. Okay, number 3, a table is 10 feet long. A desk is 3 feet long. Choose true or false for each statement. Okay, the table is 7 feet shorter than the desk. No, we know the table is longer, don't we? So, false. The table is 7 feet longer than the desk. Yes. The desk is 7 feet shorter than the table. Yes. The desk is 7 feet longer than the table. Is the desk longer? No. It says right there. 3 feet, 10 feet. It's shorter. Okay, now number 4. Draw a line that is 6 centimeters longer than the line below. Oh, now we get to draw a line. 6 centimeters longer. So, this one is 5. If we do 6 more, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would be 11, wouldn't it? Another way you could do that is just add that. So we have 5 plus 6. How did you know the length your line should be? Well, first, how long is it? How long is it? 11 centimeters, right? How did we know? Because we measured to find the line already on the page, and it was 5 centimeters. And since 5 plus 6 equals 11, I knew that it would be 11, right? Number 5, when you find the difference in length of two objects, why do you get the same answer whether you measure each object and find the difference, or you just measure the difference? I'd say because it's the same, because both ways tell you how much longer one object is than the other. Okay, now I believe I gave you the quiz to take. I don't have the quiz, but I think you probably do. So good luck on that.